Hello and welcome to today's video. So for today we're going to go through how to show you how to do lots of pops and bangs with the WRX exhaust, so the Borla S type. And then I've got my brother here driving and he's going to explain there are three methods. The method one is upshifting, method two is downshifting, and then method three is just revving. And so basically the layout of this video will be him explaining how he does it, and then after that we'll show you some sound clips from the outside of the car, and then yeah, that should be pretty much how it'll lay out. So like and subscribe if you found it enjoyable for you guys to watch, and just give us all your feedback because it's much appreciated. So without further ado, I'll turn it over for method one. Okay, here we go with method one.
Alright, so the first method, what you're going to do is acceleration. And it happens generally in first, second, and third gear. I've never had it in fourth and above. But what you really want to do is accelerate hard. So I'll kind of demonstrate that. Now the first gear one is the best. It makes a lot of pops, but it's not one you generally want to do a lot. So here's that quick. So a lot of pops there. And then the normal one, which is just normal acceleration, would be in second and third, where go about 4,000, 5,000. And just throw the clutch in, throw the gear too if you want. I found that works the best. So yeah, that's how you pop it accelerating.
So here's going to be method two, downshifting.
Get up to speed here. So for the downshifting one, you want to be rev matching. And then it works in third and second again. In third gear, every once in a while you'll get a really big pop. So like just one. If you're around 40 miles an hour, it tends to be more of a little bit of a gurgle. And then second is always a gurgle. That one you can do probably around 30. And yep, that's downshifting. So the third way that you can pop this car, this is one of my favorites, has to do, there's a little sequence you got to do. So what you'll want to be doing is going about 10 miles an hour. And so you want to be in first gear for this. And what you're going to do is around 10 miles an hour, maybe a little more, you're going to push the clutch in, keep the gear shifter in first, and then just start revving. It's quiet at first. Yeah, between probably 4,000 and up to 6,000 is a sweet spot for that. So that's how you pop the car.